Children, how are you all? I hope all of you are fine. So kids, if you remember, our last video was related to subject science lesson number 4. So today my video is for social studies, that is lesson number 4, the land of dense forest. Okay, so all the 5th class students, take out your reader, that is page number 180. So this is the new lesson which we are continuing in the same reader, that is term 1 reader. Okay, so take out your reader, lesson number 4. Let us start. So the land of dense forest as a heading. The lesson name itself says that this lesson is all about dense forest. Okay, so where do you find this type of dense forest? So you cannot find this dense forest in India. So there is only one country where there is dense forest, that is Congo. So this lesson is all about the country Congo, the type of dense forest, the type of climate, the wild animals, as well as the life which is found in this dense forest. Okay children? Yeah. So what is the climate first? First we will discuss about the climate and location of this dense forest. So what is climate? Climate is nothing but the temperature and the humidity which goes on changes in the atmosphere. That is the main factor for the climate. So humidity is when there is a rainfall or when there is a sea near some place or near some area. So that sea and rainfall causes what? Humidity. And if there are different types of climate changing or temperature changing, then it is called as what? Climatic regions. So climatic region over the world, you have 3 types. One is the tropical region, the temperate region, and third one is the polar region. So the region between, what is there, from Tropic of Cancer to Tropic of Capricorn. You have a globe. In that globe you can see the Tropic of Cancer to the Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer से लेकर Tropic of Capricorn तलक, that region is called as what? Tropical region. Why? Because these regions are very hot as well as wet throughout the year. Okay, so north side, the up one, Arctic Circle, will be sometimes it's very hot, sometimes it's very cold. Okay, but this tropical region, the speciality is that it is generally very hot and wet throughout the year. But even there are some factors which changes the temperature, like wind, deserts, mountain, trees, plants, seas, rivers. So there are other factors also which changes this tropical climate. So that's the reason this tropical climate are divided into 3 types. One is the hot wet type, the monsoon type, and the desert type. One is the hot wet. It is very hot and wet. Another is the rainy season, the monsoon season. Another is the desert type. These are of 3 types. So where there are hot wet climate, there you can find desert. It means Congo का जो climate है वो कैसा है? वो hot wet है. That's the reason वहाँ पे dense forest है. But the other climates like monsoon and desert type, you don't have dense forest. Only you can find a dense forest where there is hot wet monsoon, hot wet climate. Okay, so hot wet climate produces what? Dense forest. These are also called as what? Equatorial forest, because the equator passes through this. That's the reason it is also called as what? Hot wet climate. And you can find this South America, Africa, large islands of Southeast Asia. But many of the countries it doesn't have dense forest. So dense forest is only found in one country, that is Congo. Okay, in one country, which is that Congo. Why we can find a hot wet climate in Congo dense forest? Because the climate is hot and wet. So now let us read the climatic conditions of Congo. Okay, so Congo is located towards the west coast of Asia. If you look down to the Atlas map, you can find Congo. Where is Congo? So Congo you can find in the Africa, so west coast of Africa. So equator passes through it. You can also find the equator line near that Congo. And the temperature, like the climate is during morning, it is very pleasant and bright sunshine. The climate is very pleasant, sunshine, a little bit of cold breeze like that. So but noon it becomes very hot. Okay, during night it becomes very hot. Why? Because the heat during daytime, the heat causes the amount of water which evaporates. Okay, तो जो heat रहता है, the hot wet climate है, उसकी वजह से water जो है evaporate हो जाता. Evaporate होने की वजह से रात के टाइम पे rain रहते. And where there is a rain, there is humidity, and humidity causes what? Heat. Okay, उससे sweat होने लगते हैं. So दिन के टाइम पे the climate अच्छा रहता, but रात के टाइम पे हर रोज वहाँ पे बारिश होती है. That's the reason the climate is very hot. और बारिश वहाँ पे हर रोज 2 घंटे या 3 घंटे के लिए लगातार होते रहती है. So evening becomes pleasant and even night cool also, and even it causes somewhat sweat. But night it causes what? It causes sweat. It is very hot. Okay, so rainfall occurs in a year, and the air is always humid. All the peoples, as I told you, because of the rain, because of the water which is present over there, it causes what? Sweat. So this weather condition is same throughout the year. मतलब हर रोज सुबह आपको प्लीजेंट सनशाइन मिलेगा, इवनिंग के टाइम पे ठंडा रहेगा, एंड नाइट के टाइम पे बारिश होगी. बारिश से ठंडा तो रहेगा, बट स्टिल people will feel hot because of the humid climate. Okay, and some of the democratic our country Kerala is the same type, because Kerala is also regarded as a hot wet climate. So Kerala, but not that much which Congo receives. Okay, so Kerala can also be regarded because it has quite similarities between Congo and Kerala. Next is what? Vegetation. Vegetation means what? हरियाली कितनी है, ट्रीज कितने हैं, और व्हाट टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट यू कैन फाइंड, कि वहाँ पे क्रॉप्स ग्रो कर सकते हैं या क्रॉप्स ग्रो नहीं कर सकते. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? वेजिटेशन. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द सनशाइन एंड रेन, बोथ द थिंग्स आर देयर, दैट्स द रीजन वहाँ का जो वेजिटेशन है दैट इज सुपर. You can call it, it is very vegetative country. You can grow so many plants, there are so many dense forests, there are so many fruits also, flowers also, leaves also. Leaves will also change every year based on the month. So that's why it is called as what? Evergreen forest. What is it called? Evergreen forest. So the trees, it also a high tide trees, 16 meters के long trees भी आपको वहाँ पे मिलेंगे. एंड जब वो ट्री के नीचे आप खड़ेंगे तो आपको सनशाइन के रेस नहीं मिलेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज टोटली डेंस एंड सन रेस कैन नॉट फॉल ऑन द ग्राउंड. ओके, लाइक हाउ हियर ऑल्सो इफ यू स्टैंड अंडर द ट्री, still you can feel sun rays, but in the dense forest like Congo, आप अगर ट्री के नीचे खड़े रहेंगे तो आपको वहाँ पे you cannot feel the sun rays. Okay, so the branches are again interlocked, एक दूसरे को connected होते हैं वहाँ के branches. The bushes are very thick. Okay, and there are like creepers, they climb the trees and add a thick vegetation. So it is where beneath the tree you can see every time it is very dark because of the dense forest. Okay, so other plants like oil palm, bamboo, cinchona, sandalwood, rubber and mahogany you can find in this Congo. Next is the wildlife, कि इतना बड़ा जंगल है, ओके, इतना डेंस फॉरेस्ट है. सो क्या वहाँ पे एनिमल्स रहते हैं या नहीं? यस, इफ द फॉरेस्ट इज वेरी डेंस, ओके, there are so many types of forest, so there are many different types of animals also. So many animals, like if we talk about insects, there are so many insects, birds as well as animals like buffaloes, elephants, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, bear, okapi, giraffe. These animals are found everywhere. And butterflies and birds of different colors, so many colors also you can find over there. Okay, you can find snakes also, poisonous reptiles like lizards, snakes, pythons also, and crocodile also you can find in the river, monkey. So almost all types of animals you can find at this place. That's the reason the Republic of the Congo is also called as what? Natural zoo of the world. Okay, zoo is what we human beings have created a zoo, और जो वहाँ से animals होते हैं वो animals को हम यहाँ पे डालते हैं, and people will come and see and they entertain us. Okay, so these zoo is referred as a man-made zoo. But जो वहाँ पे है Congo may, because there are so much dense forest, there are so many types of different types of animals, so that's the reason it is called as what, the natural zoo of the world. क्योंकि वो zoo को animal ने नहीं बनाया, इंसान ने नहीं बनाया, वो zoo naturally कुदरती वहाँ पे वो बना हुआ है, but you cannot go over there because the animals are very wild and is very dangerous. Is that clear, children? So for today this much is enough, and in the our next session I will read about the life of the people, like what type of people live in that country. So for today this much is enough. You read the lesson once or twice times, and then afterwards watch my video, because unless and until you won't read the lesson, you won't get my video. Okay, children? So we'll meet soon with our next session. Till then, goodbye.